Hello Phase 5, this is my morning group, 8:30. Now, this sound here, see if you can tell your parent or carer what sound, when we have an I and an E, what sound do they make? We have covered this already. It makes the I sound. Now, something's happened here, we're becoming quite an expert at these. These vowels have been split and they're consonants going inside them. Now today, that consonant is going to be this letter here. Tell your parents or carer, what sound does that make? Okay, we've got the I sound, and that has been split with a D. So it says I'd. Okay, now, pointer fingers ready. I'd. Side, I'd hide, I'd bride, I'd slide, I'd outside, I'd seaside. Oh, that was tricky because you had that sound in there, that E sound. Eyes, surprise, eyes, surprised. Let's see if we can do them fast. Side, hide, bride, slide, outside, seaside, surprise, surprised. The bride likes to be beside the seaside. The bride likes to be beside the seaside. Good job. Okay, right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to write some of these words down, and I want you to turn your page over and try and work out which one I have hidden. Right, close your eyes. Keep them closed. No peeking. And open. Which one have I got rid of? See if you can tell your parents or carer. I got rid of bride. Good job if you got it right. Close your eyes, close them, keep them shut. And open. Have you worked it out? It was hide. I'd hidden. Hide. I've hidden hide. It hid. Good job. Well done. I'll see you soon.